If you struggle with pornography addiction or even an unwanted porn habit, or perhaps it's erectile dysfunction, compulsive masturbation, or hypersexuality, I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, cognitive neuroscientist and certified sex addiction recovery coach. I've created this channel to provide you with a treasure trove of information to help you leave porn behind, heal your brain, and recover healthy sexuality. So, my clients consider this YouTube channel to be the university library on all things porn recovery and healing sexual arousal dysfunction. But if you're looking for more help, please visit drtrishleigh.com. There I provide digital programs where you can get started today. They're affordable, accessible, and anonymous, just like porn, and they are built on neuroscience to help you unwire, rewire, and hardwire your brain so that you can ride off into the sunset. At the same time, I offer brain training with neurofeedback therapy. I'm a board certified neurofeedback practitioner, and I offer an entry level brain training group coaching program that I offer every single month. At the same time, I offer top tier professional neurofeedback at home. In this program, we work together individually, and you get to work with my team so that we're providing the support and accountability that you need to succeed once and for all. These challenges that you struggle with are brain based. On this channel, I want to teach you all about that. So, here I can help you get started in healing your brain. And if you need it, I'm there for you over at drtrishleigh.com. So dig in and, as always, control your brain or it'll control you.